How to log in Facebook with Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. In order to log in Facebook with Gmail, you need to make sure that you have downloaded and installed Facebook application first of all. And make sure it is updated. To check, tap on Play Store or App Store and then search for Facebook. If you see any update button, update it to the latest version. Now tap Open to access the login page of Facebook. Here, you can easily enter your email address and the password. If you forget the password, tap on Forget Password link and recover from there. So let's enter all your login credential and tap Login. As you can see that we have successfully logged into our Facebook account with Gmail. If you wish to save your login info, tap Save, otherwise tap on Not Now button. And now finally we have accessed the login page the home screen of Facebook. So I hope this guide works, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.